In a world where competition often overshadows collaboration, the Iron Sharpening Iron movement stands as a beacon of hope for content creators. It emphasizes that when we join forces, we can elevate each other to new heights. Instead of viewing fellow creators as rivals, we should see them as partners in our journey. Collaboration over competition is not just a catchy phrase. It's a powerful philosophy that fosters creativity and innovation. By pooling our talents and resources, we can create something truly remarkable. Imagine a community where each one reaches one, where sharing knowledge and experiences becomes the norm rather than the exception. This unity creates an environment where everyone thrives. When we help one another, we ignite a chain reaction of growth and success. It's about building relationships, sharing audiences, and learning from each other's strengths. Embrace the power of collaboration and watch as your creative endeavors flourish. The journey may be challenging, but together, we can turn obstacles into stepping stones. Remember, our success isn't just measured by individual achievements, but by the impact we make when we lift each other up. Together, we grow and glow.